Students, sideline, main income, mother, father, Lolo or Lola can earn decently as online math experts like 60,000 pesos a month. I will share what I am doing and some guides on how to do this. How much to earn? Working can be 7 days a week, 24 hours per day. The income will vary according to season. I work full-time, that is to say, I rest only when sleeping for about 8 hours per day, taking an hour nap per day, during eating meals, and taking breaks about every after 1 hour of work for about 5 minutes. Since I am not a graduate of mathematics, I select only the lower mathematics like algebra, geometry, basic calculus, basic statistics, and probability, and economics. Many of them I just studied myself from Google and applied then. I see to it that I can answer and present write the solution since there is performance rating. Sometimes I pushed to more difficult questions, but since my performance reduced, I stopped answering them and review where I did the mistakes. Being more confident, I accept them again and did it right finally. That's how it goes, so that I can increase more tasks and increase my earnings. Nowadays, with combined websites, I earn about 40,000 pesos a month during peak seasons and about 15,000 pesos a month during low seasons. Low seasons are those class breaks like about mid-May, June, mid-July, mid-December, January, and mid-February. As I can solve more tasks, my earnings increases. So I keep on studying how to solve those tasks I cannot solve. What websites to apply? Using Google, I tried to apply to many websites. But not all are relevant nor practical to earn nowadays, like Photomath and Goth are no longer available. Some are answering book questions, but there were very few left unanswered and you have to find them. Many are only for selected nationality, and I got only one task in Upwork for 3 years everyday clicking. These are the relevant and truly you can earn websites these days. 1. Livingston Research. I only earn on peak months but almost zero on other months. Application exam is relatively easy, time limit is longer. 2. Math Master. I earn the same per hour at any season, but your number of hours to work will be reduced, but minimal only. Application exam is easy but time limit is short. 3. Photo Study. I earn the same throughout. Difficult application exam and time limit is short. When you passed and start working, the common is you have to submit the answer fast. In Livingston Research, 2 hours or 2 days job as required, but may not be enough, but sometimes too long time. In Math Master and Photo Study, you need to submit in about 3 minutes or earlier. For me, the time limits are alright for most tasks, and skip those I think that will take more time. What are the subjects? The usual subjects are just the basic mathematics like algebra, geometry, basic calculus, statistics, probability, and economics. Higher mathematics are really very seldom. There are topics on these that I forgot and many I cannot solve quick. But through small Google research and practice, I learned and apply them. All ideas you need can be found in internet. If the task is a little complicated to answer, I just use the internet and copy them. Oftentimes I use Symbolab and eMath. But there are more readily available applications to complete the task fast. Tools needed. A. Internet. You must have a stable internet. They are very strict with late or no submission of answers. B. PC. Laptop will do, but a wider screen like desktop is better to view details, especially in making graphs. C. Latex. Handwritten is acceptable, but since many times writing is not clear, typewritten answers are preferred. I use latex writing in GeoGebra usually. Math Master has its own latex writing, but you can make your own way. Now, I can answer faster in latex than handwriting. D. Scratch paper and pen. Sometimes you have to write or draw details of some tasks. So, having a paper and a pen at your side will help. E. Some softwares. GeoGebra, I use this for drawing or just writing in latex. Excel, I use this for tabulating X and Y values, synthetic division, regression, sorting data, and others. Snipping tool, most of my final answers are snipped.